Hello everyone, we, the students of Masters in Geography and Disaster Management at Techno India University, Tripura, presenting you the video of our recent visit to Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. This video is about our field survey in Cherrapunji, Meghalaya, where we conducted a socio-economic and cultural survey, explored tourism aspects, and performed soil and water sample collections at various locations. Cherrapunji, located in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills, is a vibrant region known for its rich cultural heritage and booming tourism. The main factor behind the expanding tourism in Cherrapunji is the beautiful natural landscape as well as the pleasant weather. The living root bridges are very much old and even older than the oldest people living in Cherrapunji. The unique geographical features of Nokkalikai Falls and different caves present in Cherrapunji makes it the best location for geographers to implement the theoretical knowledge into real life. In this video, you can find one of the students of our department collecting water sample from the sources of the Nokkalikai Falls. These pictures of us shows the collection of socio-economic data from different households in Cherrapunji.
ये जो क्रैशिंग का जगह था ना, जहाँ पे वो बोल्डर क्रैश करके सीमेंट बनाता था, वो है ये था नॉर्थ ईस्ट का फर्स्ट सीमेंट मेकिंग कारखाना. ओके, सीमेंट मेकिंग फैक्ट्री.
These are some important handicrafts of the Khasi community living in Cherrapunji. Today is the third day of our field survey. Previously, in 2 days, we have completed the socio-economic survey. Today, we'll be going to the Nokkalikai Falls, which is near about 5 kilometers from our homestay. We have already walked 1 to 2 kilometers, and we'll be going to the waterfalls by trekking. And almost from here, it will take 30 minutes. And although we all are tired, our energy is drained totally, but we are still enthusiastic and we are still having that motivation in our mind, in our hearts, that we can complete the survey within time.
So we will going to the Nokkalikai Falls, which is 5 kilometers away from the Cherrapunji town. There we have to trek little, so there is no proper route. So there we will collect the water sample and soil sample nearby the falls, and then we'll come to the town again and do some land use survey and market survey.
Now we are at Cherrapunji upper village and we are going on foot. We'll be trekking and exploring the place and going to the fall.
Only 4.8 kilometers from here, Nokkalikai Falls. So from there we will collect the water sample and soil sample for our test. So let's move.
In this part of the video, you can see us surrounded by clouds because of sudden weather changes, which is very common in Cherrapunji. The sudden changes in weather of Cherrapunji often create challenges for us in completing our work on time. Now we have collected a soil sample and water sample from one of the sources of the Nokkalikai Falls with our supervisor, Dr. Stavograi sir, and we classmates. And the roads here, the way to come in this part is too much risky because of the slippery rocks.
Good morning. Today is the 4th day of our field. Today we will visit 14 different places for collecting soil sample and water sample as well as the tourist survey. So that's why we book a car for all the students, and we will start the field now.
On the 4th day of our field survey, we visited the Seven Sister Falls, which was very important for us to get maximum tourist data. As it is one of the most important tourist destinations in Meghalaya, we found many tourists from different parts of India. These pictures show the collection of soil and water samples from different sites near waterfalls and caves.
ये हम लोग जो पढ़ा था ना, ये उभाला पोलजी जो कास्ट लैंडफॉर्म में होता है, दिस इज द सेम. दिस इज कॉल्ड द उभाला, द स्मॉल वन. व्हेन इट गोज द बिगर वन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द पोलजी. Right? This is the erosion of karstland topography in the limestone area. You can find the very common. So this is called the potholes, normal potholes, and you can see it there. Drop down. This is called the uvala.
This clip shows the interior of Arwa cave, which is very significant in geography for the fossils present inside it. You will find shells and fish bones fossilized in the limestone walls of the Arwa cave. In this clip, you can find our supervisor explaining to us about the waterfalls and the proper method of water sample collection from the falls. The Cherrapunji field survey was an incredible experience. It gave us a deeper understanding of the socio-economic conditions, cultural richness, and environmental aspects of this region. We learned how tourism and local traditions shape Cherrapunji's identity and how soil and water quality impacts its future. We are truly grateful to Techno India University Tripura and my professors for this opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Cherrapunji.